Aloha! Hey, it's Julie Ziemelis with Real Broker, and welcome to our new listing. Step right through this Dutch door, and the first thing you're going to probably notice is these beautiful acacia hardwood floors. This home is being listed for $998,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's 1,382 square feet. Beautiful open living space, split level air conditioning for a nice cool environment. Come on over this way and you'll see a beautiful kitchen. Spacious kitchen with concrete countertops. Over here we have the primary bedroom. This features a walk-in closet, air conditioning. Over here is the primary bathroom with concrete countertops. Nice bright light access to backyard where once you step outside, it's a tropical paradise. We've got palm trees, hibiscus, and we'll show you the other side of the house when I show you bedrooms. So let's take a look at the other side of the house. As you can see, this is basically a split level house where the master bedroom and the bathroom are over on this side of the house. And then you've got the other bedrooms over on this side of the house for privacy and space. Closet, larger linen closet for storage. And then we have these beautiful bedrooms. Again, well lit. Look at this cute bathroom. Look how bright and fun this is with the color. And then we have the last bedroom. Come on in here. So all these rooms have views of the backyard. So let me show you a better view of the backyard. What we're going to find out, it is great for entertaining, and it has a beautiful canopy and barbecue. Lots of space for entertaining and also for gardening. Take your green thumb and put terraced garden and vegetable paths up here. We also have access for a hot tub or room for play experiences. So all this, again, is $998,000. And please contact us for a showing and for more information. Aloha.